Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government is completing 1 year soon. As the government is about to turn a year older, let us look at Modi's X factors which have added to India's growth as a nation. Modi is an excellent orator. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has excellent communication skills, and if his public image has to be counted for, he has emerged as a good orator. He has a captivating persona, and his speeches are emotionally constructed to hit the right audience.
मैं देश की जनता का हक ऋणी हूं। उन्होंने देश में अस्थिरता का अंत ला करके पूर्ण बहुमत वाली सरकार बनाई है। ये पूर्ण बहुमत वाली सरकार सिर्फ बीजेपी के लाभ में है ऐसा नहीं है। ये पूर्ण बहुमत वाली सरकार विश्व के नजर में भारत की एक नई ताकत देती है और वो काम देश के नागरिकों ने किया। आज दुनिया भारत के प्रति गौरव की नजर से देखे।
Modi possesses a certain charisma which India definitely needs, expecting a leader who has a strong personality. With almost 65% of the electorate below the age of 35 years, the youth expects a strong leader behind whom they can take India into next level of development.
आप हमें आशीर्वाद दीजिए, जाने अनजाने में भी मैं ये आशीर्वाद आपसे मांग रहा हूं, क्योंकि ये मेरा कन्विक्शन है। जनता जनार्दन ईश्वर का रूप होता है और इसलिए मैं आशीर्वाद चाहता हूं। आप मुझे आशीर्वाद दें। मेरे से कोई गलती न हो जाए जिससे मेरे देश का कोई नुकसान हो जाए।
Modi's effective governance model is a reflection of his quick decision-making ability. His executive decisions and ensuring their quick implementations have helped India grow as a nation. Modi believes in digitalizing India. The first thing Modi did on the digital front, from being declared as the 15th Prime Minister of India, was revamping the official PM's website. Today, the site is a complete directory of all the happenings and activities that is keeping our PM busy.
When I have a survey, out of 5 lakh, 4 lakh 70,000 are not digitally literate. We need to promote Indian languages, which we are doing by coming .Bharat. I have asked them to prepare literature in Hindi, in local languages, Bengali, Punjabi, Telugu, Tamil. And poor people must be given 2 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours of digital literacy. The PM launched that program which we call as Digital Saksharta Abhiyan Disha.
Right after completing 60 days in power, Modi launched his government's biggest digital project, MyGov, to connect with the common man with governance. During his maiden speech at Red Fort on Independence Day, Modi stated that Digital India is for the poor as well as rich. Envisaged by the Department of Electronics and Information Technology, Digital India will be implemented in phase from the current year till 2018.
विश्व भारत को क्या जानता था? ज्यादा नहीं, अभी 25-30 साल पहले तक दुनिया के कई कोने से ऐसे थे जो हिंदुस्तान के लिए यही सोचते थे, तो ये तो सपेरों का देश है, ये सांप का खेल करने वाला देश है, काले जादू वाला देश है। भारत की सच्ची पहचान दुनिया तक पहुंची नहीं थी। लेकिन भाइयों बहनों, हमारे 20, 22, 24 साल के नौजवान जो कंप्यूटर पर उंगलियां घुमाते घुमाते दुनिया को चकित कर दिया। विश्व में भारत की एक नई पहचान बनाने का रास्ता हमारे आईटी प्रोफेशन के नौजवानों ने कर दिया। अगर ये ताकत हमारे देश में है, क्या देश के लिए हम कुछ सोच सकते हैं? और इसलिए हमारा सपना है डिजिटल इंडिया।
The extensive use of social media from the PM himself, the PMO and the party leaders are powering all these ambitious digital efforts. Modi has befriended social media back in 2007. Leading social networks like Facebook and Twitter have acknowledged his dominance too. The popularity of Modi goes beyond the shores of India. From USA to Australia, from China to Europe, he has many admirers. The success of vibrant Gujarat summits demonstrated the international standing of Modi as an administrator. He has brought investment and economic growth to Gujarat.
Powered by NNIS.